engaged there. Training, they're so well trained. They know exactly what he's doing. There we go. Let's get ready for that carousel fly. That, ladies and gentlemen, is skill. Get ready, because when they come to the top, once again, they'll be crossing for a no-taker. Beautiful photo opportunity. He operates some of the same targets as the Apache, of course, with a 360-degree full-colour surveillance radar, which helps the crew pick up prey, and it has the necessary engine with 2 new missile systems specifically designed for use on the Wildcat. There we go, look at that, crossing nose over. Flying away from the crowd again. The pair reversing positions before flying back into another climb to nose. The UK has ordered 34 Wildcats for the British Army, 28 for the Royal Navy. The first Wildcat